Well, there is a gator right there. That's why they call this Alligator Lake. So we're out here on Alligator Lake once again. I've got the new Abu Garcia reel that I'm kind of dialing in. Right now I'm just kind of throwing a jerk bait around, and the new KVD jerk bait, just to get the new reel dialed in. So I think we like it pretty well. Casts pretty good, super smooth. Like I said, it's a little different than the luge reels that I normally use to throw. There's a fish. There we go. There's a fish right there, baby. All right, there we go on the jerk bait. Nice fish. Got him hooked pretty good. All right, there we go. Fish number one of the day. There he is. It's probably about a pound, maybe a pound and a half. All right, let's get this little guy weighed in here. All right, so there he is, the first fish of the day, 1.65. He's kind of fat. Wow, okay. Here's the release on it. All right, so today's conditions. So right now the air temperature is 86 degrees and the water temperature is 79.7, so it's almost 80. So we'll just call it 80. So 86 degrees air temperature, 80 degrees water temperature. All right, let's get out there and see if we can't get another one. Got another one. I'm jumping all over the place. Number two, jerkbait seems to be working. This is kind of a small one though. He's not as big as the other one. Looks pretty good. So sticks are sharp. He'll be all right, there he is. He's probably just about a pound. So guys, kind of a small one. All right, let's get him weighed in. Just a little one, but 1.05. Yep, like I said, kind of a small one. All right, 1.06, just a little guy, but like I said, he'll keep. He's 12 inches. So this is a good swarm of fish. one. Hang on. Stay on. There we go. Let's go. Lizard fish. Once again, probably maybe a pound and a half. .36. Okay, there he is, 1.37. And that would take him in a tournament. Number 4. All right, let's weigh this little guy in here. Yeah, 0.7. So here's the release. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of him. Goes, he swam off. There we go, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Stay on. Stay down. Stay down. There we go. Oh, look, he just came off in the boat. There he is. That's number 5. He's not that big. That's all right. He's a keeper, and that's 5. $105. Okay. There he is, just over a pound. Go, got one. Down. Got him. There's another one, probably another pounder, man. I mean, nothing but little dinks today. You know what? I'll take them. $1.08. A little small Why you should use a net when you're using treble hook? Little guy eating wood measure. But that's number 7.